Angela here, plant doctor at Moana Nursery on Pyramid Way, and today I'm here to talk to you about lovely lavender. Lavender is such a great plant to have around in your yard here in northern Nevada. It's very drought tolerant. It loves our full sun, so you want to plant it in a spot where it gets 6 to 8 hours of full sun. It loves well-draining soil, so don't plant it in a spot of your yard that has a lot of clay or is not well-draining. If you don't really have well-draining soil, just really amend the hole. You can put any number of soil amendments in there, anything from adding more sand to soil building conditioner or even our rose and flower planting mix. They don't need a lot of fertilizer. They really don't like a lot of nutrients, but if you wanted to add something to it to just give them a little bit more energy and give good flowering, you can use our starter fertilizer or even our bud and blooms. Lavender is not just a pretty perennial to have around your yard, good for the cut flowers and fragrance, but it's also an herb, and you can use it in your cooking or even making a fancy drink after work. One of the main questions I get here at the nursery is, what's the difference between French and English lavender? So we don't usually carry French lavender here at the nursery because it's not nearly as cold hardy and it doesn't really smell as strong. So the English lavender, it lives much longer, up to 15 years. It loves our full sun, and it has a stronger fragrance, and it also is cold hardy. So it's just a much better one for the area. And we carry a bunch of different varieties. Hidecoat and Munstead are really popular English varieties. We also have Provence and Phenomenal lavender, and those are actually a mixture between English lavender and Portuguese lavender. So they grow a little bit bigger overall, and they still have a really strong fragrance, and they're even more cold and heat tolerant. So they're another really good one to have around your garden. All of our varieties here at the nursery get anywhere between 1 feet tall and round to 3 feet tall and round, depending on the variety. And as far as maintaining them in your yard, they're very low maintenance, but you are going to want to prune them once a year, taking off about 1/3 of their top. And you really want to be careful not to go down past the woody parts of the stem, because they will not regrow from that woody part. But as long as you keep above that, then they will come back strong every year. And you can always prune off the flowers to use around the house, and when they start fading, both of those will keep it blooming and just making a lot more blooms. So if you're looking for a versatile but low maintenance perennial to have in your garden that comes back every year, loves our climate, and you can use around your house and in your cooking, look no further than Moana Lavender.